This home has so much to offer: a sunken living room with wood-burning fireplace. The dining room has access to a balcony overlooking the private backyard. The kitchen with breakfast bar has a touch-free faucet plus cooktop. The lower-level family room leads to the all-glass four-season sunroom with a hot springs 6-person hot tub, humidistat, fog-free windows, and insulated concrete flooring. The lower-level game room has exterior access. There are Anderson windows, reverse osmosis system, insulated garage doors 2016, roof 2004, and extra 24 by 24 garage.